I have issues with chin hairs. I have to shave every day.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. My name is Tanya, and on this channel I focus on inspirational hairstyles for anyone that has fine thin hair, traction, alopecia. I also focus on all things beauty, wellness, and self-care. So let's hop into this video. So I am super excited to be back for week 2 to give you guys an update on the Derm Rays laser hair removal. So I've tried this out for week 1 and I have to say I am very impressed. This video is not sponsored. I have issues with chin hairs. I have to shave every day. I get hairs all up underneath here, and as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup on my face because I want to demonstrate this product to you. So yeah, I have really stubborn chin hairs and I get hairs above my lips. This is a big insecurity that I have. So let me demonstrate it for you if you haven't been here. So I have it on the first level. It does heat up, and I prefer to do this after my skincare because my face is moisturized and it allows like a slip, if I can say, as you move. And you want to move fast and you don't want to stay in the same spot very long. That's why I mentioned the first week, take it easy if you've never used a product like this. But it does warm up. So what I do is I turn it on like so, and then I move across in a sliding motion, and you can hear it. I want you to see the red light as it moves so you know that it's doing something. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off by just pressing and holding, and it does have a fan in there to keep it cool. So this does get warm, so if you're going to be using it on your face, I do recommend that you keep it on the first temperature. So to answer any questions, I had one viewer ask me, does this hurt? So no, it doesn't hurt me, but it does get a little bit sensitive in my more sensitive areas, like right up under here, because I shave every day. So my pores are kind of open from the razor, but it's nothing that's painful. It just depends on your pain level. It has to do its job and kill the hair. So level 1 is not bad, especially now anything under my armpits or legs, it's not painful for me at all. I can go to the 3rd level and I'm totally fine. So results for week number 1. I am amazed just in a week. I'm noticing every day when I wake up less and less stubble in certain areas. So right here, I get a little small row of hairs, stubble, that hasn't come back. Right up in here, the stubble's not there. I am going to use this for a full 4 weeks to see what the final results will be after 4 weeks. But I must give thumbs up to this product on week 1. I am noticing a reduction in hair growth on my face. So I hope that helps you guys. This product has a 90-day money back guarantee, so it will be linked below in the description box if you're interested in the product. But so far so good. I'm loving it. It's working well. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next week. Bye.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy